Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook squash congee. And these are the ingredients you need. Squash, rice, oil, salt, water, and sesame seed oil, which will be optional. First, I'm going to rinse the rice. First time it's very cloudy, so you have to wash it a few times. Keep rinsing it until the water is clear. So it's like it takes about 3 times to get the cloudiness out. I'm adding 10 cups of water. So 1 cup of rice here and 10 cups of water, same cup. I'm using high heat, cover it, cook it until it's boiled. Okay, while we're waiting for the congee to boil, I am going to prepare the squash. Wash off the dirt from the buttercup squash. This is a 2.5 pound squash, and I'm using 1/4 of it. So it's like 250 grams. Okay. Okay. So I'm using this much. The seed I do not want. So you take out the seed. If you don't want to eat the skin, you just cut off the skin. Okay, I forgot to mention that I need a little bit of ginger, so I'm going to use and then mince it. It's like a teaspoon of ginger. When we add in the squash, we add in the ginger all at once. So I'm going to mince it. Now I can see my congee is boiling. So make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. So I'm going to stir it. Okay, nothing sticks. Now I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of oil. Yeah, okay, just let it be boiling for 15 minutes and don't cover. I'm stirring it, make sure my congee is nothing sticks to the bottom. So it's like stirring it every 5 minutes, just to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. And it's been cooking for 15 minutes, boiling like this without the cover. And this is what it looks like. Not the texture that I wanted. So now we're going to cover it, turn off the stove, and let it sit for half hour. Half hour has gone by. This is what it looks like. Going to turn back the heat to high, and this is what it looks like half hour later sitting. Once the congee is boiled, I am going to put in the squash and the ginger. Now the congee is boiling again, so therefore I am going to stir it, make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. The heat is still in high. Okay, it's boiling. Now I'm going to put in the ginger and the squash cube. Okay, I'm going to cover it back and let it just boil for 5 minutes. It hasn't been 5 minutes yet, but I am going to stir it just in case it sticks to the bottom. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. I'm going to turn the heat to medium high. Check it again. Now it's been 5 minutes. The color of my congee has been changed a little from the squash. But I have to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. The squash is still hard. It's not fully cooked yet. I'm going to cook it like this. Shut off the stove and let it sit for another 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes has gone by sitting, and the congee looks like this. Texture is the texture that I wanted, and it's the thickness that I wanted. And then let me check the squash. Yeah, I can stab through. It's fully cooked. I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt in it. Mix it. And it's ready to serve. If you find the congee is a little thick for you, you can always add some boiling water. Like not the top water, boiling water. And thinning it to the texture that you want, the thickness that you want, okay? You can always add water if you find this congee is too thick for you. So, or if it's too loose, then you can always cook it a little bit more, so the water will evaporate. Okay, but for me, it's good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.